Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna from lecturepedia.in. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. Already by this time, I guess you people would have started your preparation for upcoming November 2026 examination. If at all you have not yet started, there is very limited time available for your upcoming examination. You have to immediately start your preparation. And with respect to CA final audit, what should be your strategy for preparing for the upcoming November 2026 examinations? That we will be discussing in this particular video. So here in this video, I'll be telling you lot of tricks and lot of tips that you have to follow while preparation, and I will also be telling you what are the important areas on which you have to focus, the important chapters on which you have to focus, and what should be your approach of your preparation exclusively with respect to audit. This we will be covering in this particular video. If you see today, the date on which I am recording the video, it is 5th of July 2026, and already the schedule for upcoming November 26 examination has been issued by ICAI, right? On 2nd of November 2026, your examinations for November 2026 will start, right? So if you calculate from today till the date of examination, exactly you have 120 days. You might think 120 days means lot of time, but if you convert it into hours, basically apart from audit, you should also prepare other subjects, right? So at max you can give 2 to 2.5 hours for audit daily, right? See, one more thing, many students, what they will do is, how they will prepare is, they will take a particular subject and they will continuously prepare it for 10 days or 15 days. Continuously they will do. After that they will open another subject, again continuously for 10 or 15 days they will do. If you are following this approach, please remember there are certain disadvantages of this approach. First of all, human brain is designed to focus at max 1.5 hour to 2 hours on single subject or single aspect. If you continuously take up only one subject, you might feel that you are reading, but brain will lose its productivity. You can't uh, you know read it with 100% productivity. Your productivity levels will drop to 80%, 60%, 50%, like that the productivity levels will drop. So if at all you are following this strategy of a continuous preparation of a single subject, please consider reading at least 2 to 3 subjects per day. You shift the subjects, one subject for every 2.5 hours or 3 hours. Got it? Yes, sir. So I am considering on an average you will be effectively spending 2 hours on audit. So 2 hours multiplied by 120 days, you have just 240 hours. So if you see in days, it might feel that 120 days we have, but if you convert it into hours, it is just 240 hours. That means 240 hours multiplied by 24 hours, you have 10 days. So for audit preparation, you only have 10 days. Understanding, it is not that you have lot of time, you only have 10 days for your audit preparation. Getting it? Understanding how much limited time you have? Yes. And if at all you have to feel confident in the examination hall, you have to revise the subject at least 3 times. Apart from first time reading, you should revise it at least 3 times by the time of examination. If you have 3 revisions, you will feel confident enough in the examination hall. So this 240 hours you have to allocate it properly among different revisions. First of all, of these 240 hours, 130 hours you spend for first time reading. Okay, if at all you are writing for the first time in November 2026, you will be reading it for the first time. If at all you have already wrote in the previous attempts and you are unfortunately again writing in this attempt, then also you spend 130 hours for complete thorough reading of the subject. I will tell you how to read, how to approach that also I will tell you. So of 240 hours you allocate 130 hours for first time reading. How to allocate? Based on number of chapters, you can go to number of chapters and you can allocate the time for each number of chapter. Okay, that you can do by going through the syllabus. You can allocate the time of 130 hours among different chapters. That I am not doing, you have to do it. Okay, yes, chapter wise allocation you have to do. After first time reading, you have to do first revision. So you give 70 hours for first revision, because already you have read the content once. It will not take much time. For the first time revision, lesser time will take. So 70 hours you have to allocate for first revision. After that, second revision, 40 hours you have to allocate. So by now, by that you have completed two revisions. Third revision, when will you complete third revision? You have 1.5 days before examination, right? So in that 1.5 days you will do your third revision. And one more thing, the audit subject being a very huge lengthy subject, most of the students they'll face the difficulty in revising entire subject in 1.5 days before examination. So what you have to do is, during your first time reading, during your first revision and second revision itself, you have to plan how you are going to revise this complete subject in 1.5 days. See, what I would suggest is, for the first time reading you follow the concept book, and for the revisions, first revision, second revision, for revisions you take a chart book, a summary chart book. I will tell you how to use that summary chart book, that procedure I will tell you. So this is with respect to allocation of time, three revisions and one reading. Got it? Yes. Now there is a standard operating procedure of how you have to approach each and every chapter. So whatever the chapter you take up for preparation, how you should approach that chapter. First of all the subjects you would have already taken regular classes, right? So during articleship you would have taken regular classes, but when you take the book for reading that chapter or reading that particular that particular subject, you might feel that for this concept or for this chapter I need a quick overview. I need a quick marathon revision. If you feel so, you can first of all watch revision lecture on YouTube. There are a lot of faculties, many YouTube marathons are available. Even on my YouTube channel, I have also recorded marathon lectures. So for the previous attempt I have recorded them. Now for this attempt also again I will be recording marathon lectures. Within 2 or 3 days I will start uploading marathon lectures for CA Final Audit. You can use them also for revision. Okay, so first you take, if you take any chapter, if at all you feel that there is a revision that is required for this chapter, you first watch a revision lecture from the YouTube. So only if required, unnecessarily don't waste time on YouTube. Okay, only if you feel that it is required to watch revision lecture, you watch, otherwise not required. Okay, yes. Next, after watching revision lecture, you take up concept book. See, whatever the concept book you have, you can take, you can follow either ICA study material or any concept book. But if you are following ICA study material, one thing is, in case of audit, in the examination you need to write key terms. So you cannot remember complete content as it is, that is there in the book, right? You have to remember key terms and write key terms in the exam. Now only drawback in the ICA study material is, there are no key terms highlighted in the ICA study material. If at all you are following ICA study material, take this point into consideration. Key terms are not highlighted because you will find the complete ICA study material in black and white. right? Yes. So better you select a book that contains key terms highlighted. If you take my audit concise book, in that audit concise book all the key terms are highlighted in red color, and of course I have prepared that book from ICA study material only. Whatever is there in ICA study material, that only in a refined format, in a point wise format I have presented it for easy reading purpose. Got it? Yes. So you will read concept book. Now reading the concept book means what most of the students will understand is that I have to take the book and I have to read it. No, that's not how you read. You have to read along with writing. That is the correct approach of reading. If you just read the subject like audit, within 1 hour you feel bored, you'll feel sleepy. So you should not just read. Along with reading you should also do writing practice. Getting it? See, you need not write a complete content, at least key terms you write down. If you write the content you will be able to carry that content till the time of examination. That content will be with you for longer duration of time if you do writing practice, because in the examination you have to write it. Correct or not? In the examination it is not sufficient if you just read the answer for whatever the question that they have given. You have to write, you have to present it. So during your preparation also you should practice the same. You should practice the presentation, writing part you should practice. The common mistake that most of the students will do with respect to audit is this only. They won't do writing practice. If they won't do writing practice during preparation, how you will be able to present it at the time in the examination? So you don't forget this. You read along with writing. Now you have read the book, you have also had a written practice. So now you have complete concept about that particular chapter. Now you need to apply your concept somewhere, right? So you have to apply your concept on the questions. So all the past examination questions, RTP questions, MTP questions, ICA study material questions, these are all the sources, ICA sources of questions, right? So you can take a question bank. Instead of referring each and every RTP, MTP, you can just buy a question bank. Lot of free question banks are also available. Even my question bank also I will be uploading it for free of cost within just in this particular month I will be uploading my question bank free of cost. And I will also be recording question and answer marathon video explaining all that question and answers. So you can uh, no take use of that particular question bank which I will be giving for free of cost. Okay, so in that question bank there are around 600 plus questions, all ICA past examination questions and RTP, MTP, everything I covered. Okay, yes. So once after reading the concept you have to apply it to question and answers. Don't forget to solve question and answers. Got it? Yes. So this is how you have to approach each and every chapter. This is the standard operating procedure, SOP, that you have to follow for each and every chapter that you take up for preparation. Got it? See, this SOP you can use for other subject also, not only for audit. Got it? Yes, sir. And I already told you, for subsequent revisions you follow summary charts. Following summary charts is better for subsequent revisions. Next, how much time you have to spend for each of the chapter? First of all, what are the important chapters, what are the unimportant chapters? First of all, before I tell you ABC category chapters, firstly I'll explain you what is the purpose of this categorization of ABC. The purpose is not that you can completely skip C category chapters. No, the purpose is you have to spend more time for A category chapters, little bit lesser time for B category chapters, and even more lesser time for C category chapters. So the purpose of ABC categorization is to properly allocate your time. Understanding? Yes. So just like I am giving ABC category for upcoming November 2026 examination, I have also given ABC category for previous attempt, May 2026 exam also. So in the previous attempt, from the chapters that I told as A category, 64 marks has come. See, excluding MCQs, I am not taking MCQs here, just questions. 70 marks questions will be there, na? Including choice, it will be 89 marks question and answer. So from theory, just theory, from A category chapters that I told, 64 marks has come. So that means almost exemption. Getting it? So for upcoming November 26 also I am giving ABC category of chapter. See, if you want this ABC category video of May 2026, it is already there in my YouTube channel. You can once cross check it. If you don't believe, you can cross check. Exactly 64 marks has come from the A category chapters that I told you, excluding MCQs. Okay. So similarly, for upcoming November 2026 examination, what are the A category chapters? First, of course, professional ethics. From professional ethics, blindly 15 to 20 marks they will come for sure every attempt. This you might be already knowing it. So you should never miss professional ethics chapter, and professional ethics is easy only, not that much difficult chapter also. The length will be more, but easy only, right? So first A category chapter is professional ethics. For sure you will get 15 marks. Next, digital audit and assurance, SDG and ESG. Every attempt you will get 4 marks from digital audit assurance and 4 marks from SDG and ESG. For sure, every attempt you can go and see, for sure you will find. There is not even one examination without these two chapters. So that much important these two chapters are. Next, Caro 2020. Caro also for sure every attempt you will find 4 to 5 marks. Blindly you will get the question. Next, SQC1 Essay 220. SQC1 Essay 220 also every attempt you will get the question, 5 marks. However, for May 26 examination, institute has not asked, except past May 26 examination. For all other attempts, there was a question from SQC1 and Essay 220. So these are most important chapters. For sure, blindly you will get. So if you see 15 plus 4, 19, 23, 28 and 32. So 32 marks blindly you get. If you are thorough with just these 5 chapters, blindly you will get 32 marks. If you just score another 8 marks, you will pass. Getting it? Yes. Next, group audits. Next, under A category chapter, group audits, including SA 600. After that, audit of NBFC. Generally, institute will give audit of NBFC in one examination, bank audit in another examination. Like that, institute will give. I am guessing for upcoming examination, institute will give audit of NBFC, but you should also be thorough with audit of bank also. I have kept audit of bank in B category chapters. Okay. So for up November 26, audit of NBFC is a category. Next, investigation chapter. So from the chapters, these are the A category chapters. Next, standards. A category standards for upcoming exam. Essay 250, 299. From 299, institute has not asked a single question till now. Any time in the future examination, future attempts, it might ask. Next, essay 402, same 510, 520 also. One time also, institute has not asked any question from them. Any time in future, it can ask. Next, 550, 560, 701, 710, 720, 800. So these are A category standards on auditing. And other series, from other series, SRS 4400, SRE 2410, SAE 3402. These are A category chapters. So I won't suggest just to depend on A category chapters. Focus more on A category chapters. Don't leave other B and C category. But there will be some students like who are doing jobs, or due to time constraints, some people they might be starting their preparation just 1 month before the examination, or just 20-15 days before the examination. Those people, you just read A category chapters. there is high chance that if you are thorough with A category chapters, at least you will pass. When if you are starting your preparation just 20 days 15 days before the examination, understanding, if you are starting before 15 days or 20 days, of course you cannot read complete chapters, right? In such a situation you focus only on A category, understanding. Otherwise for remaining all other students, you give more time for A category chapters, understanding. Yes sir. Next, B category chapters. Under B category, audit of bank. Basically audit of bank is also important only, but the weightage is 5 marks. Content is huge, so considering the content and weightage, I have kept it in category B. Next, audit of PSU, internal audit. Coming to the standards, 240, 300, 315, 330, 505, 530, 540, 600, 610, 620, 705, 805, 810. These are B category auditing standards. And coming to other series, SRE 2400, SAE 3420, and also forensic accounting. These are B category chapters. See, how will you allocate your time? You spend 60 to 65% of your time on A category chapters. Next, 30% of your time you spend on B category chapters, and remaining 10 to 20% of or 10 to 15% of your time you spend on C category chapters. So this is how you have to allocate your time. Getting it? Yes. Coming to C category, due diligence. Essay 200, 210, 230. Basically, in your ICA study material, you will not find 200, 210, 230. But we don't know, since these are there in CA intermediate level, anytime institute might ask them. There is no guarantee that it will ask, but safe side. So these I kept C category, very easy standards there. Next, 260, 265, 450, 500, 501, 570, 580, 700, 706. These are C category chapters, C category standards. That doesn't mean that you have to leave them. You have to give lesser time to them. Next, SRS 4014, SAE 3400. So these are the A, B and C category chapters. And I told you how you have to approach, what is the importance or purpose of this ABC categorization of chapters. Now, what are the resources that you have to follow for your preparation? First of all, you will have a concept book that you have been following. See, if at all you have taken any classes from the faculty, you follow his book only. You don't change the book in middle, but you ensure that whatever the book you are following, in that book certain points should be there. First of all, key terms should be highlighted in red color, and all the content should be in paragraph, not in paragraph format. It should be point wise, the content presentation. And one more thing, ensure that it is a color book. Okay, so if the book that you are following is having all these three features, you can blindly follow that book, whatever the book it is. If at all the book that you are following is not having these three features, you once consider taking the book that has these three features. Okay, if you take my audit concise book, it has all those features that I told you. Next, question bank. Of course, in my audit question bank, which I will be giving free of cost to you people, there are 600 plus questions covering all ICA sources. You can make use of that question bank. Next, summary charts. I am preparing summary charts. All the chapters are completed, just one chapter is pending. Within just 2 or 3 days I will be preparing summary of that chapter also. And mostly in next week I will be making this summary chart book available on my website. Okay, and from this summary charts only I will be recording marathon videos in the next week. From next week onwards, every day you will get one marathon revision lecture uploaded onto my YouTube channel using this summary chart book. Okay, yes. Next, RTP MTP for upcoming examination. Whenever the institute issues it, I will make a video on that and I will upload it onto my YouTube channel. And one more thing, case scenario based MCQ. So what I have done is all the ICI sources of case scenarios, I am compiling it. It is in the process. It also will get completed mostly in this month only. I will compile it and I will also record a video explaining all case scenario based MCQs and I will upload it. Okay, this attempt for sure I will do. Okay, case scenario based MCQ discussion video, question and answer MCQ discussion video, and marathon video for sure I will do it for this attempt. Okay, and question and answer discussion marathon. So these are the resources that you have to use for your preparation. So this is complete strategy for your preparation for the upcoming November 2026 examination. You keep in mind that you have to maintain consistency with audit. You don't lose consistency. Every day you have to read audit. It should not be that you read audit today, again after 2-3 days you will open. No, it should not be like that. Every day you should be in touch with audit and focus on key terms, writing practice, these things you remember. Okay, so I hope whatever I have told in this video will be useful to you, beneficial to you. If at all you have still any other doubts or you need any other guidance from me with respect to your preparation of upcoming November 2026 examination, you can let me know in the comment section. I will be helping you. All the best. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.